If you're looking for a guaranteed way to start making money online and you're ready to follow instruction and put in the work, this video is for you. In this video, I've put together a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make money online. As someone living in Nigeria, someone who is in Africa and you're living in Nigeria, living in Ghana, you can actually use this particular method I'm actually showing you to get to the point where you make money online over and over and over again. All right, so I'm going to walk you through and show you all you need to do in this particular video to get to the point where you make money online. Now, what I'll be showing us in this video is not something that is totally new. It's something that we're already doing at the Grind Academy, and you can actually copy what we're doing already, replicate it, and get the exact result or result that is better. I'm going to show you what we're doing and how you can actually do better than this and actually get a point where you get a lot of results. So all you have to do is allow me hold you by the hand and walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can do all of this. Before I get started and show you all of this, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, one that I basically do on this particular channel, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, this channel is the right channel for you. If you just see me for the first time, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and also share it with your friends who are interested or who want to make money online. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started and let me show you guys what you must need to do. Alright guys, so welcome back. So I'm actually going to be explaining this business model to us. It's actually a very simple one. Yeah, it's actually very hard to implement because sometimes if after you've learned of it, you might even start thinking of it like it doesn't make sense, or it makes sense, or oh, is this what you have here? It's simple, but then it's something that actually has helped me make a lot of money by selling products. So look at it this way. There are a lot of products out there, there are a lot of softwares out there or materials out there that is actually sold at an expensive price. If you can actually get it for a cheap price, you can actually get to the point where you get it for a cheap price and resell the product. So I'm going to be showing you a particular software that we can actually resell. We've actually been reselling this at the Grind Academy, but you can actually resell it. And I want once you've resold it, when you started making money off it, come back to the comment section and drop me a comment. I mean, I want to see you succeed, and that's why I'm actually making this video, right? So all you have to do is get a particular, like I said earlier, get a particular software, a particular video, or a particular tool, a particular course that's already working, and actually get to the point where you sell it. So I'm going to show us this particular software. We can actually give it out for free, or we can actually sell it. But either way, you're going to be making money by giving it out for free or by selling it. And you can actually sell it through the organic method or through paid adverts. You can actually run paid adverts, or you can actually do organic method. So let me explain the organic part first. But before that, let me tell you the tool which you're going to be selling. We're going to be selling this particular software that is called CapCut Pro. You all know CapCut Pro, and that's what I use for video editing. So you can actually use this particular tool to edit videos and all of that, and you can actually sell it at a cheap price to people who need it. Now you know very well that CapCut Pro, it's to subscribe it right now, you have to pay 12,500 or 7,500 to actually get to the point where you subscribe it. But if you don't want to do that, you can actually get to the point where you get it for almost free and then resell it over and over and over again. If I host a masterclass and teach this, people are going to pay. But I know very well that because I'm showing you this right here, you may not really value it. But it's going to be very important that you value it and get to the point where you make money out of it. I'm not kidding you, right? So now, let's even get back to, let me not digress. Let's get back to what we're doing. So you get the CapCut Pro for almost free, and then you resell it organically or by paid method. But yeah, before the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get the CapCut Pro for almost free, and you don't need to like subscribe again. So now, once you get it, you can actually make a video of the CapCut Pro app, or get to the point where you create banner ads like graphics design, saying that you sell CapCut Pro for almost free, like 2,000 naira. I can actually sell it for 2,000 naira, sell it over and over and over again, and make a lot of money out of it. Do you understand that? So you can make a video of it and post on your Facebook timeline, create a page, post on your page, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to join video editing groups, right? People that need CapCut. These are CapCut groups, video editing groups, and talk about your app, right? Now this is not going to get a lot of sales. I think we got like barely around 9 or 8 sales from doing it organically, right? So you talk about it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, you carry it on your head, join groups, talk about it on these groups. Carry it on your head. It's your business. I mean, you learn to market without shame. Carry it on your business, on your head, sorry, and then tell people about it, and then they get to buy from you organically. That's the easiest part, but it's not. It doesn't really convert a lot. Now, if you want to do for paid method, what you can do what you can do for the paid method, what you can do is you can actually get to the point where you these videos you've created, these graphic designs you've created, have a page for it, and then run ads with the page, run advertisements with the page, showing a large audience on Facebook, especially on Facebook, or maybe TikTok, Facebook and TikTok, yeah, right. You can actually start with a video that helps you to run ads. I'm not going to I don't want to make this video long, so I'm not going to go into details and tell you how to run Facebook ads. Use the Facebook ads and actually run the Facebook ads and promote it to a large audience, and there is no way you're not going to sell and make back your money which you spent on the ads. You're going to make enough X3 or X4 of the money you spent on ads, because now you're paying this, you're selling this for 2,000 naira, so you're going to get a lot of DMs. Now, one thing with the DMs you're going to get, once you get it, make sure you connect with them. Don't just get DMs and let them slide. Connect with them. Save their numbers. Make sure they save your numbers too, so that in the long run, if you have another product to sell, you can actually resell back to them. This is this is digital marketing 101 course. It's supposed to be digital marketing 101 course, all right? So you resell back to them, and then once you resell, you can sell back to them in the future, right? Basically, right? So you promote your course on Facebook, free method and paid method, right? And how do you give it out for free? I've just talked about how to sell it. How do you give out CapCut for free and still make back your money? Now, you can give it out by actually learning how to edit videos yourself. So if you don't know how to edit videos, you can actually learn how to edit videos yourself, and it's not a hard thing to do. CapCut has actually made video editing very easy. So once you get this CapCut Pro, take your time, maybe like 1 month, go through it, watch videos on YouTube, learn how to edit videos on YouTube, get to the point where you properly learn how to edit videos on YouTube, and you create a course from what you've learned, right? Have a curriculum, create a course from what you've learned, organize a video editing class, tell people you want to teach them how to edit videos, and they're going to get CapCut Pro for free once they join. So instead of selling 2,000 naira, now you're selling that course for maybe 4,000, 3,000, or even 5,000 naira. I'm saying you should sell for a small amount so that you're going to sell a lot. Turnover is actually the okini. Don't sell 20,000 naira. Sell like 5,000 naira, 4,000 naira, so you can sell a lot and make back your money. Kini? It's there. It's pretty that easy, right? So you organize a class, have the CapCut as a free gift for people who are going to join your class. This works like hell, right? So how do you get the CapCut Pro? I have CapCut Pro, right? And because you're my subscriber, make sure you're my subscriber. Okay, because you're my subscriber, I'm actually going to give it to you for almost free, right? That CapCut Pro is actually worth a lot. But if you come to me as a subscriber, all you have to do, you want to reach out to me, you reach out to me on the comment section. If you're not really get in touch with me, so all you have to do is chat me up on Instagram at Ebenezer_Etlink, and we can chat from there. We may actually get to WhatsApp from there, right? So chat me on Instagram and ask me to give you the CapCut Pro feature for almost free. That's the word you should use, for almost free. So I know you're coming from YouTube, from this video, right? Tell me, Ebenezer, I need CapCut Pro feature for almost free, and I'm going to give it to you at the cost of 1,000 naira, which is very little. I'm going to give it to you at the cost of 1,000 naira, and you can actually resell this to your audience and make a lot of money. All right, so that is it basically. Now I'm going to actually allow you to make sure you put into action what you've learned. It's not about getting the CapCut Pro feature from me. If you have it already, you don't necessarily need to get it from me. If you have it already, go out there and resell it. There is money in it. Resell it and make a lot of money. People are making money off it. All right, so I'm actually going to allow you guys to put into action what I've shown you so far, and make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.